Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss with you remaining pages of this chapter 3, and earlier videos I think all of you understood and learning thoroughly. Creating reports. Once the data is entered in the tables, it needs to be printed. Although the tables and queries can be printed, they do not give a professional look as they are not designed for the printing purposes. Print the data stored in the database in a professional format. Reports are used. Reports take the data from one or more tables and queries and display it in a professional format. We can add headers, footers and page numbers, group the information and change the background color in a report. There are 4 types of options for creating report. They are report, blank report, report design and report wizard. We can add fields in our report, we can add fields in our blank report, we can add fields in our report design, and we can add fields and we can apply various categories of design format by using report wizard. Earlier video already have shown to you query wizard and from wizard. Similarly, this video I will show you report wizard. Report tool is simplest way for creating a report. It creates a report based on a single table or query which is selected in all tables pane. Blank report. If we want to include only the selected fields in a report, we can use blank tools. We can just simply add the fields in our table and we will find just normal blank report. Report design. It opens a blank design guide when we place control like text box, labels, charts and list box, and fields as per our requirement. Lastly, report wizard. It is the quickest way of creating a report. To ask us a series of questions to help our design the report exactly the way we want. We allow us to select fields from more than one table or query. Using this option, we can also specify how the data will be grouped and stored. In this section, we will discuss. I will discuss with you creating a report using report wizard. Already told you we will find report wizard by using create tab, report wizard button. This one is a report wizard button in the report group. After that, we will add the fields, whatever fields we have added in our table. We can add fields. After that, we can add department button in the list. This is a one type of group. We can add groups in our department. We will find whenever we run this report, we will find the group, whatever fields we have in our table. After that, we will select the ascending descending report should be sorted in basic salary, and then click ascending descending button and choose the ascending and descending order. We can select fields. We can sort order as for our fields for ascending and descending descending is our short. Then click move. After that we will find the layout of our report. We can select our layout stepped. We can select our blank. We can select our layout outline, and we can select our orientation of a layout. If I select portrait, then we will find our report portrait format. If we select landscape, then we will find our report wizard landscape format. There are two types of orientation. We can whenever you print the document, we will find the orientation. Portrait means our report wizard is this way. We will find steady horizontal. If I select landscape, we will find vertical layout of our hard copy. Lastly, we will select the preview to view the report design, and after that we click on finish. Then we will find our report is created and ready to print. Report, already I have told you, report generally used for printing purpose only. This way we can create our report. Closing database and an existing access. To close the database, click the office button, otherwise click on file tab, click on exit, or directly click on close button. The database on which we are currently working is closed. To close Microsoft Access, click on close button on the upper corner of the Microsoft Access window. We will find this close button. Clicking this button, we will find our access is closed. Otherwise click on file tab, click on exit, our access will be closed. Same report I will show you by doing practical. Now I will open Microsoft Access application from the start menu. All of you know start menu is available in our taskbar. Just click on start menu. We will find our recently opened program history. Here is Microsoft Access is not available. To open Microsoft Access, click on search and type NCCE. When you start typing, we will find Microsoft Access app. I have to click on Microsoft Access. Already I have one table. I have to open this table. Click on open, select table file and click on open. In the earlier video already I have shown to you creating queries, creating forms and creating a table. Now I will show you how to create report by using existing table. Report cannot create without table. Report create from the table. Click on create tab. We will find table design. We will find query wizard. We will find from wizard. Now I will click on report wizard from the table group. Click on. No need to click on report. No need to click on report design. Blank report. Simply we will use report wizard. Click on report wizard. We will find this report wizard, table and queries. I already told you report create from the table, or report you can create report from the queries also, as for your choice, by clicking this option. You can create. Click on this box and we will find queries. We will find table also. I'll select table, and we can add fields by clicking the arrows one by one. Or if I click this arrows, all the tables automatically added in our selected fields. So I'll select one by one. Select employee number, department, basic salary. This way. Click on next. We can create grouping if you want to click on group, then click on employee number or click on department, whatever your choice. I will select department this way. This one is our grouping option. Then click on next. I will select here sorting. I already told you we can sorting is our ascending descending order. We can select our sorting for ascending and descending order. I will select sorting from employee number from basic salary. So ascending means we will find the employee numbers serial wise. Okay, 2, 4, 6 this way. And descending order is our, I will find opposite. Means 8, 7, 6 this way. Ascending order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and descending order is that is your opposite side. This way we can select our ascending and descending options from this list. After that, click on next. We will find the layout, report layout. I will select report layout blank, or I can select report layout stepped. I can select outline, whatever your choice. Portrait and landscape is for your orientation of the page. If I select landscape, our page will be this way. If I select portrait, our page will be this way. Okay, then click on next. We'll type the name. I will type employee report. Employee report. In your chapter, showing the title passive report, I am selected here employee report or employee database report. This way you can select employee database report. Employee database report. What is the preview report? No need to click on modify the report design. Click report is by default selected. Click on finish. This you will find our report, same as for your book. We can create simple report by using report wizard. Same I will show you when the school reopen in our practical lab. Now go through the chapter thoroughly. This is the end of your chapter. Next video I am come with you chapter 4, Flash, graphics and animation in Flash, graphics and animation in Flash. I will discuss with you in the next video. And in this chapter, exercise and question answer already given to you in our Frontier Ecology Day. I think all of you understood. Don't waste the time. Please go through the chapter nicely. Thank you all.